Today we will see how to adjust the fold depth of each folding pocket. Clearly, by turning this knob, we can reducing by turning counterclockwise. We reduce the dimension, and when we turn clockwise, we increase the dimension. We have to read with this mark, not there. So we have to take the reference of here. So if we need to set up 105, this is 9mm, 95, 100, and 105 is at the beginning of the red. So 90mm, 95, on the blue is 100, on the red is 105mm. So we go precisely. Coming back a little bit. Now, if we have, you see a difference from the right and the left, we may operate with another key, 3mm. We can operate here and go to compensate. Okay, so now it's too much, so we have to go closer. Okay, you see that now we made perfectly the same.